channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, first of all, a very happy Valentine's Day to everyone. And today we also have CPI, one of the most important event for the Forex traders. My dear friends, whatever levels I'll be discussing right now in this video are before the news only. Because after news, nobody knows what will happen to the market. Nobody can predict the market. I'm just a normal trader. I do not have that kind of expertise to predict the market. I'm also a retail trader like you. So my simple strategy during the news is simple. Go with the flow. Okay, do not try to predict the market, predict the news. Simply go with the flow. Okay, here you can see that inflation rate, the previous data is 6.5% and the forecast is 6.2%. In case the number comes out to be higher than 6.5%, then I think the dollar will start flying. Okay, in case if it is above 6.2 also, maybe we will see dollar going up. But in case the number is below 6.2%, we may see a big drop on the chart of DXY. Friends, do not forget that when dollar was flying, dollar almost made the high of 114.8. It was CPI that brought a trend reversal on the chart of DXY and we saw gold flying. Okay, so CPI is so important. So 6.5 was previous and consensus or forecast is 6.2%. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, try to avoid trading during the news. If possible, observe the market. Observation will give you experience, but try to avoid entering into the market. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay. So first of all, DXY. So my dear friends, as expected, as discussed in our yesterday's video, that the next resistance on DXY will be 103.95, and yes, DXY failed also. I clearly mentioned yesterday that if the same volatility on DXY continues, then DXY will face some resistance. And yes, DXY faced resistance before hitting 103.95 only. We saw a reversal. Right now it is standing at 103.21. During the day, before CPI, the support on the chart of DXY is 102.50, 102.60. This is the support for DXY, and the resistance for DXY will remain the same. Before CPI, if market tries to go up, then it will face selling pressure again around this level 103.95 and will get some buying power or some buying support around 102.50 to 102.60 before the news. In case market shows extreme volatility after CPI, then the resistance on DXY will be 105.50. This is the next resistance on the chart of DXY after news. And in case the data comes out to be very good, and if we saw a big drop on the chart of DXY, then the support will be 100.80, the last important significant low made by DXY. Okay, so this is the resistance after news and this is the support after news. Okay, but before news, market will or should stay inside this range only. Those who are thinking that this is a double top kind of a pattern, then yes, it looks like a double top kind of pattern. So yes, a drop may come also. Nobody knows. Be careful during the news. Now this is a chart of gold in front of us. At first, I would like to take you to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see that right now market is following this structure where market is forming lower highs. Okay, market is forming insignificant, okay, not significant, insignificant lower highs and lower lows, means small swings. Market is trading in small swings where the 50 moving average is acting as dynamic resistance right now. So right now we do not have any significant level for the market. You can clearly see on the chart that market is breaking the previous lows and going down slowly. So as a result, we do not have any significant support. The next support on the chart of gold is around 1843 to 1844 that I have mentioned in my previous videos as well. My dear friends, 1843-44 is not a very strong support. This is not a support that will work after news, because this level does not have the strength, this level does not have the power. But before news, yes, there is a possibility that market will get some support and bounce. If market bounces, we can go for a buy position. But after news, do not expect 1843 to provide support to the market. In case of a drop, in case of a big drop before news, if you see market going down, then the next important support or good support is around 1825 to 1828. Around this level also we have a very strong support. In fact, this is the only strong support we have on the chart of gold right now, the strong immediate support. And the reason is Fibonacci 50% retracement, Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. You can see here we have Fibonacci as well as market has shown price rejection around this area. That's why we are considering this as a good support for the market. Okay, so if market drops before news, you can definitely expect the market to get some support, and I'm very sure that before news, yes, before news market will get some support and bounce. If market bounces, you can definitely go for buy position. And after news also, okay, after news also you can observe the market around this area. After news, this level will obviously fail, but this level may work. I'm not sure, there's a 50-50 chance, 50-50 chance that 1825-28 level may work after news also. If market takes support, if you are an experienced trader, you can consider taking a buy position. Okay, and apart from that, the next support, okay, the next strong support on the chart of gold is around 1788. Around this level is very far away. I don't think so market will be going down to this level, but as of now your eyes should be on 1825 to 28 level only. And sadly, as the market was in strong uptrend, so as a result we do not have any proper static support. Usually we have good static support on choppy market or sideways market. As the market was in strong uptrend, so as a result we do not have any proper static support or resistance on the chart of gold, because in trending market dynamic support resistance mostly come into the play, but here the dynamics are also not playing the role properly. Okay. And on the other hand, the resistance is around, yes, the resistance is still the same, 1898 to 1903. Okay, so I don't think so before market or before CPI market will be going down to this level. So if market goes to this level after news, yes, after news, okay, observe the market, there is a possibility that market will face some resistance. Okay, in fact this level also has some potential as well. So this is a strong resistance, 1898 to 1903. After news, before news, there's very less chance market going to this level. And before news, we also have another resistance around 1890. Okay, around 1890, because of the high made by the market. Keep in mind, this is not a very strong resistance. Okay, because there are some resistances on the market where sometimes we see that after hitting the level market comes down. Okay, market drops by 40-50 pips and you can go for quick sell. Okay, if you have the experience, then only go for it, otherwise just avoid. Okay, and before news we have some minor weak resistances around 1872, 1881. Keep in mind, these are before CPI only. Okay, these are before CPI. Do not expect these levels to work after CPI. See, every chart has got some strong levels, weak levels. These are weak levels. This is the more or less a strong support. Okay, 1790, 1788 is a strong. So those who have been trading on gold for more than 2 years, they know the significance of the level of 1790. So whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So please be careful. And my dear friends, if you like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income or side income, then you can consider joining the Pro Trader program. The link is in the description. Pro Trader program, learn, trade, and earn. Okay. You can see that 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. Okay, the benefits of joining the Pro Trader program. Apart from these benefits, you will also get access to the 3 days workshop that I conduct every month. I've already conducted the workshop of this month, but you will definitely get access to the next month workshop. Okay, so you can consider joining the Pro Trader program. Hopefully, it will give you a boost to your trading journey. Okay, my dear friends, bye bye. Take care. All the best.